RunPod versus Google Colab can significantly influence your AI project outcomes. Choosing the right platform can enhance your workflow without the hassle of complex setups. Let's explore what each option offers to help you decide. RunPod and Google Colab are both popular AI cloud platforms, but they serve different needs. RunPod focuses on providing scalable infrastructure for heavy workloads, while Google Colab is designed for ease of use and collaboration in smaller projects. RunPod is a powerful cloud computing platform designed specifically for AI and machine learning tasks. It offers flexible GPU and CPU resources, allowing users to scale their computing power according to project demands. RunPod's architecture is optimized for high-performance tasks, making it ideal for data scientists and developers who require significant computational resources. Users can easily set up environments and manage resources through a user-friendly interface. However, it may have a steeper learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with cloud infrastructure. The ideal user for RunPod is someone who needs robust performance and is comfortable managing cloud resources such as researchers and enterprise-level developers. Google Colab is a free cloud-based platform that enables users to write and execute Python code in a collaborative environment. It integrates seamlessly with Google Drive, making it easy to share projects and collaborate in real time. Colab provides access to GPUs and TPUs, which are essential for training machine learning models. Its simplicity and accessibility make it a favorite among students, educators, and hobbyists. However, Colab has limitations regarding session duration and resource availability, which may hinder larger projects. The ideal user for Google Colab is someone looking for an easy-to-use platform for smaller scale projects or educational purposes, such as students or individual developers. When comparing RunPod and Google Colab, consider your project requirements. If you need extensive computational power for large-scale AI tasks, RunPod offers the flexibility to scale resources as needed. On the other hand, Google Colab excels in ease of use and collaboration, making it perfect for educational settings or smaller projects. For example, a data scientist working on a complex model would benefit more from RunPod's robust infrastructure, while a student collaborating on a research paper would find Google Colab's features more suitable. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize performance or accessibility. For users needing powerful computational resources and scalability, RunPod is the recommended choice. If you're looking for a user-friendly platform for smaller projects or collaborative work, Google Colab is your best option. Both platforms have unique strengths, so choose the one that aligns with your specific needs.